Gospel Life Family Church. Gospel Life Family Church.
Kingdom greetings. Hope I find you well from all walks of life. Coming your way is Prophet Gift Jova from Gospel Life Family International Church. I'm coming to invite you from wherever you are to join, to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Gift Jova YouTube channel, for a service that we are going to run on Thursday, the 13th of November, 2025. I wish you to join together with your families, together with your friends. We are starting a session, we're starting a journey from that day, the 13th of November, 2025. We are starting a journey of sermons that are going to look into matters of life, issues that have not been touched so far. Probably they've not been touched to the depth that you're going to touch them. Issues of names and cases that follow places. You realize that you would have put an effort, you've worked and made all things possible for you to succeed in this life, but you seem not to get it right. Where is the problem? What is the challenge? Let's come and talk about this. We are ready to reveal some of these informations unto us. Based on Matthew chapter 11, verse 25, and Jesus answered them and told them that, actually answered them and he prayed to the Father in heaven, thanking God of revealing these things unto babies, which were hidden to the wise, which were hidden from the wise and the prudent, but they were revealed unto babies. Babies there are people who were poor. Babies there are people who were of low knowledge. And Jesus was thanking Father in heaven for revealing such things. And here we come to reveal also these things unto you. After all that you've put together to see your life going up, you are still struggling. What if it's a name that has caused you to struggle that way? Yes, the name that you carry. What if it is a place that is cursed? Yes, the place that you operate from. There are places that are good at bringing down those who are blessed and derailing their blessing. So we are coming to you, child of God. Even in Proverbs chapter 25, verse 2, will also tell us that it is God's glory to conceal a thing, which is to hide a thing. And that thing, once it is hidden, it is also for the kings to find and search a matter. So I'm inviting you, child of God, please be part of this session. It's going to change your life. You and your families, probably you don't need this information, but there's your friend, there's your family member who is in need of this information. From me to you, until we meet on that Thursday. Shalom.
Gospel Life Family Church.